I was a medical doctor and practicing Western medicine. Then I got into alternative medicine and naturally going into herbal medicine. And I realized most of the herbs are actually contaminated if they are commercially available. So I decided to grow my own herbs. At the same time, I can have some good vegetables. So we started Providence Family Farm in Ruijin, Jiangxi, China.
We visited this area around 8 years ago, and then we love it very much because the area is so clean and also unpolluted. And it is a rural area in China, and the people here is quite poor, but they can maintain a very, very good and clean environment. So it is the best place for us to grow organic vegetables.
I visited that place and it was the most beautiful place. It is so poor, there's no industry and there's no pollution. And once we ascertained that we own the water source and the soil is not contaminated, we decided to put money into this. And I really felt that God was leading us, and He specifically wants to redeem the food, redeem the people, redeem the families, redeem the land, and redeem the business practices. So there are 5 redemptions that we have been tasked to look into. One of the key things is to let people know that we love them. We don't necessarily use words, but we certainly use actions. And that's what keeps Ada and Andrew working so hard for this.
China is developing very fast, needs a lot of labor. And most of this labor comes from the village, the younger crowd. So what does that do to the village? The older folks will get to stay home, and then while the offsprings of the younger generation get stuck with the old grandparents. And just like around our farm, there is a Mr. Yun. He actually has 4 grandkids. And what happened is he has to endure a lot of economic hardship to raise these 4 kids, put them through school. So these are the kind of people I like to help. And now the whole family lives very happy. And my next goal for them is actually to help them move out of that little place they have and have a more decent place, because the kids are growing and they need a decent house to stay in.
We try to support what Ada and Andrew are doing. And we want to make sure that we have a different set of values.
We usually do a budget, and then we'll allocate money for repairing houses, or build them a bridge, or just fixing the road for them.
51% of all the profit goes back into the community.
They are donkeys. They are donkeys.
My hope is that we'll pull the distance between the city, where there's lots of resources, and the backcountry in China, up in the mountains where they're very, very poor, pull them closer together so that each one will bless each other. We certainly want to transmit the most benefit from the market back to the farm. So that's why we forego a lot of the middleman. So we go direct through the internet, or you can phone us to order, and then we deliver it fresh.
We divide the boxes into Western style and then Chinese style, because the Western style will have more salad vegetables such as lettuce or some cucumber, tomatoes, etc. And the Chinese box will have more leafy greens such as the pak choy, choy sum, and also the Chinese squash. So different people will have different choices. So they can call us in before delivery, and then we can make the changes to them.
We harvest on Friday and Saturday, and then we pack on Sunday, and by Monday it's down in Hong Kong. So unless you grow your own vegetable, you can't really get fresher than that. I love working with Andrew and Ada. They are very driven for what they think is right. They are organic crazy, and they love what God has created up there, and they try to preserve it any way they can.
I think the quality of the veggie is the most thing that I'm proud of.
We are certified by USDA, EU, and JAS, year in, year out, and under the Providence Family Farm logo. All this certification is just authenticating us how good we are and validating that our food is safe.
One 3-star Michelin restaurant is using our products very happily, and some of the top brand name hotels, international hotels, are using our vegetables. So we know the quality is quite acceptable.
And we hope we can bring more variety with different color, different taste, so people can eat a wider range of vegetables that have different type of minerals to help them build up their body health.
My family ate a lot of vegetables, and I'm 62 now. And nobody would guess that age. And I'm still eating a lot of vegetables. And I strongly believe the vegetables is the key for me staying healthy and young. When you have organically cultivated produce, the nutrients are complete. Everything has to be done the nature way. I'm Dr. Andrew Lam, and I'm the chief farmer.